Hi, my name is Tyson, and today I want to show you how to download data from data.census.gov. For this example, I've already pulled up a table. We'll be using B21001C for Alaska. This table looks at veteran status by sex and age for the American Indian and Alaska Native alone population. We have a few different options for getting this table out of data.census.gov and into Excel or another program. Let's take a look. First, I'm going to use the chevron at the top right of the filter panel to collapse it and get a better view of the table. Along the table ribbon, you can now see the Download button, which brings up a panel where you can choose a format to download table data. When the panel appears, you'll notice you have 3 different format options for download. You can download the data in Excel, CSV, and zip formats. You'll also notice that each format has a description of the type of file you will get when you download it. If you want to get this table in a presentation-friendly format, click on the Excel button and then the Download Data button. When you open the downloaded file, you can see that it has 2 different worksheets in it. The first provides information on the search that was done and other relevant table notes. The second sheet provides the actual table, which looks very similar to the table format on data.census.gov. If you click on the CSV button instead, you'll find the same table in a CSV format. The formatting is a little different in this compared to what we just saw with the Excel button version. The CSV format gives you a simplified file containing only the header labels and the data. If you want to get this table as a flat machine-readable file, or if you want to get the GeoIDs for the geography used, it's best to use the zip button. The zip format allows you to download the data in a compressed folder, which works best for downloading multiple years of data. When you click on the Download Data button, a new panel will pop up. Confirm that the table and years of data you want to download are selected, and then click on the Download.zip button. You can track the progress of the download in the pop-up in the lower right corner of the screen. Once the download is complete, open the zip file that appears. For every table that you downloaded, you'll receive 3 different files, one for the metadata, one for the table notes, and the last for the data itself. Click on the file with data in the name. You'll see that you have a flat machine-readable table. This also includes the GeoID, which can be especially handy. Let's close this out so I can show you the way that you can download multiple tables at the same time. Let's navigate back to the Results panel to find the tables we want to download. For this example, I'm interested in downloading the first 3 table results, tables B21001A, B21001B, and B21001C. To do this, click on the Download Table Data option found above the table list. You can see that the checkboxes appear to the left of the table IDs. I now check the boxes for the tables I want. Click on the Download button above the table list and follow the same process as before to download and open the data tables. I hope this tutorial has helped in learning how to download tables in data.census.gov. For more videos like this, check out our resources page linked in the description box. Thank you.